Hi everyone, thank you for watching. I created this blue silver liner look using the reloaded Marvelous Mattes palette by Makeup Revolution. And I had a lot of fun creating this edgy liner look. So let's get started. First off, I'll use the More Than Concealer by L'Oreal in the shade 365 Cashew to clean up under my brows and prime my lids. Next, I'm going to pick up this teal shade in the palette with a fluffy crease shadow brush and blend that into my crease. I'm using the Overachiever Concealer here in the shade Nougat by Huda Beauty to apply it to the base and inner corners of my lids, so the shade that I put on top of it sits well and pigmented. Next, I'm going to pick up this beautiful sky blue shade with my fingertip and apply that on top of where I put the concealer. I'll be using another crease brush to blend the two blue shades together where they meet, and this will just keep that nice seamless look. I'm using the Kohl Lash Curler to curl my lashes before I start creating my liner look. Using the Rimmel Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow in the shade Slay, which is a silver shade, I'm going to start drawing out the wings. I'm using small strokes to build a sharp finish. Let's bring you in for a closer look at how I do this. Now I'm going to add the black liner, and for that I'm using the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner. And slowly lining my upper lid and outlining the bottom of the silver wing. Again, small, short strokes help me to control how much product I'm using, as well as how defined I'm able to really make this liner look. Then, to tightline my eyes and really close off any bare areas of my liner, I'm using this black Sephora Kohl crayon. After that, I'm just gonna pop these falsies on by Quo off camera. And because these lashes are quite spaced out and more of a natural look, I'm going to just enhance it a little bit using the Clump Crusher Mascara by CoverGirl. And that's it for my eyes. So to pull this look together, I'm going to put this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 455 Natural Buff as my base. And then use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer, the same one I used to clean up my brows and prime my lids, 365 Cashew. I'm going to use this to highlight under my eyes. I'm going to set my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10 Fairlight. And then off camera, I just set my face with the e.l.f. setting spray, and this is basically the final look. Let me know how you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment for more content, and I hope to see all of you lovelies in my next video. So until next time, stay you, stay beautiful. Bye, my loves!